Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about nktrainer.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. It is a website that is selling products online to their customer. It claims to provide Nike, Adidas, Air Jordan and various such brand products on their website. The website claims to be an amalgamation of all the products and all the brands at one destination. The website seems too good to be true, and therefore people are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. This website used the Nike brand logo for its site, which is controversial, but we are going to check out more details. It is an e-commerce website, just 1 month old website. Email address that is mentioned on the website is not looking genuine, and it can be a red alert. It is HTTP secured website. You can return the product within 7 days of your purchase. No social media accounts have been attached to this website. No reviews and ranking could be found for this website. Let's check out the positive point of using nktrainer.com. Like, you can get various brands at one destination, so that you are not supposed to search various websites for different brands. There is a fusion of various brands, and therefore it saves your time. Moreover, according to NK Trainer reviews, it has a return policy that is for 7 days. This is beneficial as you can return product if it is not as per your expectation. The negative point of using nktrainer.com are: the major disadvantage of using this website is that there is no trustworthiness of this website, and therefore there are no clarification whether you should use it or not. The website domain age is less than 1 month, so it would be risky to trust such a new website and invest your precious money and time. There is no review found available on the website. No social media presence could be found. So the question is NK Trainer legit? According to our analysis about the website, we found various factors about it. Like, first thing is the domain age. Like, it is less than 1 month old. It was created on 22nd August 2021. Moreover, when we check out and discuss about the legitimacy of any website, it is mandatory to have social media presence, but we are unable to find anything about it. So in the end, we are not recommending this website to our viewers to shop anything from this store. It is a suspicious website. We should not trust this website. You may get scam from such websites, so we are not recommending you at all. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views regarding this website. We would love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding your views about nktrainer.com.